If you need to recover your Belmont Savings Bank account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all necessary personal information related to your account, such as your full name, social security number, date of birth, and any account numbers you may have. Step 2. Visit the bank's website. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use sharp to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Call customer support. Dial the customer service number provided on the website. Be prepared to verify your identity by answering security questions or providing personal information. Step 4. Visit a local branch. If you prefer face-to-face assistance, locate the nearest Belmont Savings Bank branch. Bring your identification and any relevant account information to help with the recovery process. Step 5. Follow instructions. Once you are in contact with a representative, follow their instructions carefully. They may guide you through setting your account access or provide alternative methods to recover your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Belmont Savings Bank account without needing your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to ask for further assistance from the bank's support team.